the ball.
Say ready, set, go.
Good job! Say, we're playing night ball. I don't want to get hit.
Ready, set, go.
Good. He doesn't have like ready, set, go. He runs up to the base. He hits it. Yay! Just a single.
He could run and then like hit it. He doesn't miss it.
Where'd your ball go? Where'd your ball go? Uh-oh, the ball fell off. The ball fell off. Ready, set, go. Say hi.
Hi.
Say, I'm playing ball.
Okay, bye.
Woo! So afraid I'm gonna get hit. Say, all right, ball.
Bye.
Say, get ready for a bruising.
Luke barks up the deck. There he goes.
Good job, buddy. And now he's gonna go pick his favorite ball.
Good ball. Luke barks at the plate. 2 strikes, 3 balls. With a runny nose.
Good job.